Traveling can be stressful, especially when it comes to navigating airports. Istanbul Airport is one of the busiest airports in the world, so having a smooth transfer experience is essential. Here are some tips to help make your Istanbul Airport transfer experience as seamless as possible. Plan ahead. Make sure to research the airport layout and your flight details before your trip. Knowing where your gates are located can save you valuable time during your transfer. Use airport facilities. Istanbul Airport offers a variety of services to make your transfer more comfortable, such as lounges, shopping outlets, and restaurants. Take advantage of these amenities to relax and recharge before your next flight. Book a transfer service. Consider booking a transfer service in advance to avoid any confusion or delays when you arrive at the airport. This can help ensure a smooth transition between flights. By following these tips, you can have a stress-free transfer experience at Istanbul Airport and make your journey more enjoyable.